The work, from what I can tell, is going to be cosmetic and preventative. Most of this is pretty solid. So, the nice thing is it should work just fine. Like, as in, it's in working order. It's just not the prettiest. That kind of works for me. I'm almost in working order, and I'm definitely not the prettiest. So, got a little radio down there. Didn't see that. I have to test that out eventually. Yeah. So, this is the Echo. My little 25-foot Catalina. And, this winter, I'm going to be working on a few projects for her and probably gathering up materials. I'm going to see if I can come up with something for these blinds. Might take, I don't want to take any of that down, but I'm sure I can come up with something for it. Maybe some strings through those holes, sort of fed through, and get some cloth stitch it so that I can sort of slide it back and forth as blinds. That's what I'm thinking. I'd like to have something there, because if it gets hot or whatever, it'd be useful. We'll come up with a few covers for these back pieces. I know what models they are, but definitely want to clean up, you know, some of this wiring. I mean, it's not bad. It really isn't. But what I can do is at least make covers that go over the back here. Oh yeah, I forgot about you, buddy. You don't like me much, I'm sure. I don't like you much. I'm gonna want you to die in the winter. It's gonna be great. And freeze. And we'll probably dig into some of the electrical and or plumbing stuff. I got a buddy, his name's Chance. He's a coworker of mine, and he is a plumber. So I'm definitely gonna have him take a look at this when it comes to the plumbing side of things. Okay. Yeah, a little bit of caulk along here. All I have is kind of household, you know, quick seal stuff. But it may be okay. I think I'm going to get some marine grade for anything that touches the outside hull, or even on the interior, just anything that touches the hull, or anything that touches something that touches outside, you know what I mean? I'd rather be safe than sorry, and it's not that expensive. And it'd be good to get used to, but yeah, we're gonna tweak a bunch of this stuff, and we're gonna see what happens. So I definitely need a couple batteries. We figured that out. It's down there. I'm not digging the sails out right now. I'm pretty sure the boom actually, the sail is on the boom. I know I need to get new sails. And I think that that's something I'm not going to be able to do this year unless somebody feels real generous, but I wouldn't expect that. So that'll probably be a tough one. The big one is going to be the outboard. Something I definitely want to get, because that will make life a lot easier. It means I'm not weather dependent for sailing or for moving the boat. As I do have to move it, about 150 miles, and I'll have just a few days to do it, so it's going to be a few stops and all that, and I'll definitely document it as I do it, but for the moment, I think we're all set. I'm gonna get my butt out of here. Lock this up here. Actually, show you how that happens. And then we're gonna do a quick walk around the thing and we'll call it a day. And also, you know, toss all the stuff out that I'm taking with me. But you know what? I think I'm gonna leave those drawers there. I don't mind them. They're not bad. We can do some TLC later. That's not a problem. Okay. Go here. We got a little life sling there. Useful. Okay. Oof. There we go. So, yeah. So this is what I'm talking about on this guy. You can kind of see that pulls pretty good. So we're gonna, there's that, and then we got some cracking, and I think we can do better. I know we can do better. I'm not very good at this, but I know I can do better than a 35-year-old, potentially anyway, table. That's not a bad place to start, but here's, and I'm going to be resanding all this and making it look more like that by the time I'm done. So this guy here, so let me show you this, slides right there. And we have this guy right here. He slides in like so. I think I'm going to leave this unlocked. Primarily because I may have somebody swing by for me to pick some stuff up or do some work. There's some knob in that thing. I don't know. Whatever. Closes up. Do that. Here we go. And they're doing some work, like I said, right next door. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause here and extract myself from here. Then we'll do a quick walk around. So I will see you on the other side.